Hi guys and welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate concrete and pink custard. Let's begin. So this recipe is really quick, simple and straightforward. All you need to do is get a large mixing bowl of choice and place all of your ingredients into it and mix it on a medium-high speed. So once you've got all of your ingredients into the bowl, you will then want to mix it on a medium-high speed just until it comes together, being careful not to over mix. It doesn't take that long to fully incorporate, so be careful when mixing. So once your dough is done, you can line an 8-inch tin with some parchment paper, put your dough in and press it down to get it as level as possible, pressing into each of the corners. You will then want to bake it off. I will leave all the times and temperatures in the description down below. So once the chocolate concrete is baked, you can remove it from the oven and allow it to cool, but before you do that, you'll want to just scatter over a generous amount of granulated sugar. You will then want to allow this to cool completely before cutting and serving. Once it's fully cool, you can remove it from the tin and cut it up to however you like. I opted for squares, but feel free to cut it into rectangles, bigger, smaller, whatever works for you. So to make the custard is really easy. Place your milk into a medium saucepan and put that on a medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. Into a bowl, you'll want to place your egg yolks, your sugar, your flour and vanilla and just mix those all together until it's well combined and gone slightly paler in colour. Do this while you wait for your milk to come to a boil. So once the milk has come to a boil, you can add a small amount onto your egg mixture and whisk that in just to combine. Then you can gradually add the rest of your milk until it's all incorporated. You will then want to transfer that mixture back to the saucepan. To colour the custard, add a small amount of a colour paste and just whisk that in. These are normally concentrated, so you don't need a lot. Return that to the heat to thicken up. Once it's back on the heat, stir constantly. It won't thicken up very much, but just enough. This is what it should look like. And that's how you make chocolate concrete and pink custard. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. If you have any video requests, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or follow me on social medias. I will leave all that information down below and you can message me there with any ideas that you may have for future videos. So that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.